Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you are, don't forget to subscribe. I don't know why I'm like grabbing my head. Yeah, and stick around if you want. So for today's video is just going to be a big vlog. I don't really know what's happening today. I want to kind of like clean out my closet a little bit, and then also like Steven and all the guys are throwing a little like day party, kind of like get together at their place just for like fun. Yeah, and I actually don't work today, so I'm so excited because I can have fun. So let's get started. I kind of want to get ready and put my makeup on first, just so I have that done. It's 10 o'clock right now. Everyone is getting over to their house around 1-ish. I am in my old bedroom at my mom's. If you are one of my OG subscribers, you would maybe kind of remember this back in the day. I had a huge tapestry on this wall. Also, that tapestry is listed on my POSHMARK, so if you want to buy it, I always would get questions about it. So if you want it, go check out my POSHMARK because it's on sale, because I just don't really want it anymore. I just want to switch up the decor. But yeah, I'll get more into POSHMARK because I want to clean my closet and show you guys what I want to get rid of as well. So we got a lot on our plates today. I'm gonna get ready. Let's just get started. I'm thinking just like normal makeup, and I really want to do like a red lip today. I'm just like really into lipstick again all of a sudden, so we're just gonna roll with it. Sorry if this is like some really bad lighting going on. Yeah, so I'm back at my mom's place, and it's been kind of chaotic because I'm like in between, like half pretty much living at Steven's and then having just like all of my stuff at my mom's. So I always have to like go back and forth. Like I feel like a child of divorce right now. I don't think I've literally worn foundation in like forever, and that's not even me like bragging. That's just like, wow, what, you know? So I always start off with this moisturizer. I kind of use it as a primer really. It's Paula's Choice Skin Recovery Daily Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30 in it. Yeah, so I just use that as my everyday moisturizer because it has the SPF, and in Arizona you better be putting SPF, some kind of moisturizer, on your face every day, because by like the time you're way older you're gonna be looking rough. But I really like that moisturizer because it's kind of like got some tackiness to it too, so it's great for underneath makeup. Also, I don't even know if this is my color anymore. We are just going to find out. I usually use a beauty blender, but for days where like I know I'm gonna be like warm or sweating even, I'll use a brush, just because beauty blenders, since you like get them wet and everything, they kind of give you a little bit more moisture. Did you just hit moisture? And I don't want moisture today. I want to stay like, you know. I'm also wearing a full face of makeup today just because we have like the little party what I was talking about, and then we'll also most likely go out later tonight. So I really want my makeup just to last until then. And with just like my day-to-day makeup is literally concealer and then like bronzer and blush and everything. I don't wear foundation day to day. It's just a little bit heavy for me. But I want to last really long today, and the like concealer, BB cream won't do that for me, so I'm like going balls to the walls with the makeup. Also, I do have my eyebrows micro bladed and my lashes are done too now, so it literally makes getting ready like cuts it in half. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, I pulled my hair back so I look like a founding father right now, but let's just like ignore that because it's really getting in my face and annoying me. Anyways, I just took literally 30 minutes to pick out the most simple outfit, so that's frustrating. You could probably hear stuff downstairs. Yeah, we have people working on our floors downstairs. My mom wanted them redone. Yeah, whatever. They literally just started cutting like the tile just now. Awesome. Anyways, so I'm gonna be going through my closet, But first off, anything that I show you that I say I'm selling will be listed on my Poshmark. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app where you can sell, trade, buy used clothing, and it's amazing. I've been using it for like maybe 3 years now. I've had lots of people buy from it and everything. It's so good. It's trustworthy. Like, it's really, really great. I love it. I've been using it religiously. So like I said before, my tapestry that was on my wall will be, or it is, on my Poshmark right now. I also am going to put a bunch of stuff from cleaning my closet right now on my Poshmark, and other clothes that like I just haven't worn in forever, maybe from past collabs that literally are brand new with the tags on, are going to be listed on my Poshmark. Also, so close to my heart, my senior year homecoming dress, let me show you. This baby is gonna be on my Poshmark. I will pop a photo of me up right here. Yeah. So this is gonna be listed on my Poshmark as well. I love this dress so much. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna shut up and start cleaning up my closet. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys real quick just some of the items that I just grabbed out of my closet that I know for sure I'm gonna list on Poshmark. So these pants, these are so cute, so flattering for the booty. I got them for New Year's, and then literally like 5 minutes before I was leaving, I changed because I don't know, I'm just the worst. So they're kind of more like stretchy of like a legging, and they're nice and tight around like the waist, booty, and thigh, and then they kind of have like a little bit of a boot cut, and they're just like a glittery pinstripe. So these are so perfect for parties to dress up and everything. Another item is this super cute cropped blazer. I just only have worn it once, and so it's time to go. Oh my gosh, but this is such a statement piece. Like, if you're someone who works in an office and you want to spice up like the office wardrobe, or you just like it, like you can literally wear this every day. And it has a button, it has 2 buttons right here to close it. So adorable. And where it comes in cropped on the waist is like perfectly at the smallest part of the waist, so it really accentuates that waist, you know. Another item is this knit sweater. I don't really know if you could tell, but it has a really cute knot right here, and it's really adorable. Just same thing, I've just never worn it. Like, so many of these things are just things that I've kept in my closet because I'm like, oh, it's so cute, but like realistically I haven't worn it yet, so why am I holding on to it? I need to like let go of things. This shirt I've literally been hanging on to because same thing, like it's just so adorable, but I just haven't worn it in like a year, so I'm like, oh, I gotta let it go. But it's a really, really, really comfortable like denim lace up shirt, and this looks amazing. I wore this once with white jeans and it just looks so cute, so amazing. But yeah, those are just some of the items that I picked out of my closet just now, and I'm going to list them on my Poshmark. So make sure you follow me on Poshmark. My username is @SydneyAlexandra with a couple A's. I'll pop it up here on the screen. And then also I have a link below to download Poshmark, and when you download with that link, it gives you $10 off your first purchase for whoever you buy it from, just $10 off. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Poshmark, shop my closet. I'm always listing stuff on there. I'm always getting rid of things. So definitely check that out. Hello, it is the next day and I did not vlog anything yesterday because, well, we got drunk. So I got drunk. I will insert Instagram story footage of that day here. Even though you should have already saw all that if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should. Yeah, so I've just been a hungover butt face all day, And I worked this morning, then I worked a little bit right now because I'm just a working woman. And we're making some food.
Her idea of being a hungover butt face is working 2 jobs.
I'm on the grind. I gotta get money. Money. Yeah, and so now we're making food, and I thought, oh, I'll give the peeps a little update and whatnot. Steven's making a protein shake because he doesn't feel like actually cooking. And I am making this Dia Deluxe Cheesy Mac because I just want something that's healthy, but not relatively healthy because I'm hungover and just, it sounds really good right now, so whatever. Yeah, and then also, Steven, darling Steven, got me some almond milk. And I'm gonna make a matcha. So I got this matcha green tea from Trader Joe's. So I'll give a little review right now. Do you want some?
No.
You can try some. Also, we have The Office playing in the background because what else? So it just says for an iced one, mix 3 tablespoons with 3 ounces of hot water, stir to dissolve, and pour over 1 cup of ice. So we're gonna do that. I also heard that you can sweeten it with agave, and we do have some agave, because that's vegan. Like honey isn't, agave is. The more you know. This is so satisfying. Smells like matcha. All right, I heated up some water, and I'm just gonna do like tablespoons like this. I'm just gonna do 2 for now. Matcha is kind of annoying to dissolve. And then I'll put some almond milk in it too. I don't know if this is gonna taste good because I put so much water. Not bad. I think I might need to master it a little bit more, maybe do less water to help it dissolve and then the rest with milk. But not bad, not bad. So this is not the worst tasting matcha. I'm sure there's better ones out there. But if you're just dipping your toe into the matcha world, maybe try this first until you like perfect it. And now we are going to watch my favorite show currently, Parks and Rec. Wait, that is fun. So this is editing Sid right now, and I realized I did not wrap up this vlog. So it was very random, so thank you for watching if you stuck with it. This guy's chilling with me right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out my Poshmark. Like I said, those items and more will be listed soon. If not, they're already listed. All right, I love you guys. Don't forget to follow me on everything, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.